I'm Jonathan, this is Krista, and we're here to help you be a better landlord. Okay, Krista, today we are here to talk about the ebook you wrote.
So exciting. Very thrilled to talk about this. We wrote a Getting Started series for landlords, helping people out to jump into the real estate investment game. And thank you for letting me take up some space to chit-chat about it.
Of course. Yeah, this is exciting. This is the first time we've written an ebook. I guess let's start first with what the heck is an ebook?
It's an electronic book, so you can take it anywhere that life takes you. And that is really thrilling. We can also put in links to different resources. So not only is it a book full of actionable content, but it also gives you other links out so that you have everything you need in your pocket.
Awesome. And you said it's a Getting Started ebook. Who is this for?
Sure. This is really for anyone who's interested in real estate investing, but specifically becoming a property manager and landlord. So we walk through how to purchase property if you haven't done it before. We also walk through how to finance that purchase, different things that you should consider when you're looking at rental property. We even cover if you've inherited property and you're looking to rent that out, or if you're a homeowner who's looking to start house hacking. That's a new term for you. Don't worry, we cover it in the book. There's so much great information in there. So we really take you from the beginning of setting goals for a business all the way through move out with your first tenant and anything in between.
So not necessarily just for people who are brand new to real estate investing, right?
No, I say anybody who has a foot in this game could benefit from reading this book, even if it's just to make sure that you're following best practices, that you're using the latest tools, and that you have something to fall back on just in case you run into a situation that's a little bit sticky and you don't know what to do.
So this was a pretty big endeavor. I think the fully designed ebook, it's over 100 pages. Is that right?
118.
Yeah, 118 pages. So this took a while, and you wrote it all. So can you kind of talk through how did you write it?
First, I approached it basically wanting to give advice for every stage of the landlord journey. You know, whether you're just really starting out, you haven't had a business before, and you need to understand how to best structure that. Or, you know, if you are kind of down the line, you might need some advice too. So we take it from step one, which is, of course, that goal setting piece. Then we move through into financing a property purchase, what to look for when you're trying to find a rental property. Then finding tenants, making sure that you have a good lease, what that looks like, the components that you need, moving them in, best practices about that. Then, of course, day-to-day management, like collecting rent, different methods you can use there, how to communicate with your tenants if something comes up, maintenance requests, and then, of course, when they finally move out, what to do, how to leverage that relationship that you've built in a way that doesn't leave you feeling skeezy, so that you can find a new tenant fast.
So there are a lot of real estate books out there. What sets this one apart?
I would say, first of all, the fact that there is such a wealth of resources in this book beyond what you're actually downloading, right? So as you download each chapter, which each stands alone, that's also a nice little perk. If you're only interested in one portion of it, you can grab that chapter of the ebook and have all of those rich links and resources right there. But if you want the whole gambit, you want every part of the series, it's accessible, it's easy to understand, and it's really built to guide you through step by step for what you have to do, no matter where you are in the journey.
Awesome. And where can people get this ebook?
Sure. So if you head to turbotenant.com/ebooks, you will see all 8 chapters. Feel free to poke around and pick the ones that resonate for you, or you can download the entire ebook. We are also going to have text versions available on Amazon and Apple Books, thanks to all of your hard work.
Yeah, and it should be noted, totally free.
Totally free. Yes, we want you to learn best practices so that you feel confident being a better landlord. That's our whole shtick.
That's our whole shtick. So with this being the first ebook, are we going to stop there? Are there more to come?
Oh, there are more to come. We have been brainstorming different topics that really need a deep dive to best capture everything landlords need to know. And we have a wealth of topics that we're excited to cover. So our designer, Claire, is just an incredible worker. She has such a vision. She really brought this to life, and I can't wait to see what we do next.
A lot of our audience are established landlords, but maybe they know somebody who's new to this and is asking them so many questions that they would love to point them at one resource. Can people share this?
Oh, absolutely. Grab that URL, pass it along to your friends. You will make their life so much easier and make sure that they're starting their business on the best foot possible so that it can last for generations to come. This is a really great way to build generational wealth. So get in the game now. If you love somebody, send them the book so that they can do it too.
If you love somebody, send them the book. That's a great note to end on. All right, so turbotenant.com/ebooks. Check it out for free.
Yeah. Let us know what you think. Email us at education@turbotenant.com. Feel free to say hi. And if you have any topics you'd like to request for an ebook, we are all ears.
Yeah, leave them in the comments below. Email them to us. Don't forget to subscribe.